Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM Rockstar sign-in error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to run through the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to restart Rockstar Game Launcher. So you want to go ahead and close FiveM completely. So open up a Task Manager. So right click Windows, click into Task Manager. And then we want to go ahead and end the processes that called Rockstar Game Launcher or Rockstar Social Club. So just go ahead and right click and end task, anything related to that. And then you want to go ahead and open the Rockstar Game Launcher again and sign into your account and launch FiveM again. Now, next fix is to go ahead and clear FiveM cache. So you want to go ahead and open up Run. So to do this, on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and R. That's going to open up Run. And now we need to put in this code here, that is local app data % either side, and click on OK. Now this is going to go ahead and open up your files like so. Then basically look for a file called FiveM. So here it is here. So I want to right click it, right click the file, and then go ahead and click delete. Now that's going to delete that cache folder. Restart your PC and launch FiveM again. Another fix we can try is log out and back into Rockstar. So open up Rockstar Games Launcher and then click in the settings, select account information, and then click sign out, and then restart the launcher and sign back in. Now the next fix is to go ahead and verify GTA files. So if you're using Steam, want to go ahead and open up Steam, go to library, and I don't have the game on this account, but basically I'm just going to pick this game for now. And to verify the integrity of game files, we can basically click on the game, click on the properties, click on installed files. To the right of this, we want to go ahead and click on verify integrity of game files. Now, if we've got any VPNs or proxies in the background running, go ahead and disable them. So Rockstar authentication may fail if you are using any of them. So disable them and try signing in again. If you're still having issues, I suggest reinstalling the Rockstar launcher and then restart your PC and then download the latest version from Rockstar and then basically sign in again.